Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Caitlin Asham and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair review on WeQueen hair, and I will be getting into all the information pertaining to this hair. But today's video is also sponsored by this company as well. But before we get into today's video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you can stay updated every time I post. Alrighty, let's just go ahead and jump straight into today's review. So when you first get your package, it's going to come in this black box. It just says WeQueen on it. I actually love the detailing on this box. It's very 3D to me. And then on the inside, it just has a quote that says affordable beginner friendly wigs by WeQueen. So that's their quote that they wrote. And then on the inside, you get a few goodies. So you get a total of 6 headbands, and each one is a different pattern. And the first one that I have has just roses all over it. They're pink, and some of them are hot pink. And then also in here you do have another headband. It's like a mustard and a navy blue and white flowers. The next one is a red, blue, and white one, kind of giving you 4th of July feels. The next one is pretty much all blues, like dark blues, light blues, teals, white. And then also the next one is a cheetah headband. And then you have this last one that's green, brown, and blue. And they're very colorful, so if you like headbands like that, I definitely highly recommend that you check them out because they do send over a total of 6. Also in here you do get a total of 2 wig caps, and then you do have the card with the information on the inside, which pretty much says caring for lace wigs and also how to take care of it, how to wash it, how to pretty much care for their bundles or their closures. So it included all of that. And then also they do have this little card that says you may win a gift or something like that, so that's pretty cool. And then finally in here you do have a duster's bag to put your wig back in, and this bag is actually really nice, high quality. It's silk, so I would end up taking this somewhere on vacation with me. If I had to take a wig with me, it would definitely go in this type of bag, and I really do like how this is made. So this is the WeQueen loose wavy headband wigs highlight beginner friendly. The texture of this hair is loose wavy, if you're wondering. And then it is a total of 18 inches. It's 100% virgin Brazilian hair, and it's 150% density, which is a really nice. That is 150% density. It is sort of kind of thick to me, but yeah. So the construction of this wig, there is a total of 3 combs in the front. So one on the right, one on the left, and also one in the middle. And then also there's a comb down at the bottom of this wig, and then you do have 2 adjustable straps, and then also you do have 2 Velcro straps as well. So I do have a total of 4 questions I want to answer about this wig. So the first question is, does this wig shed? Yes, this wig does shed. When I was styling this wig, I did notice a considerable amount of shedding, and I personally do not like shedding that much. So if you do want to purchase this wig, just know it will shed just a little bit. If you don't mind shedding, this wig will be perfect for you. But honestly, like me personally, I don't like shedding as much. So yes, this wig does shed. So the next question is this hair affordable or expensive? This hair is actually very much affordable. It's a beginner friendly wig, so I think this is a really nice wig for starting out. If you just want to get into wigs, you want to start wearing a headband wig before you hit lace, so this will be perfect for you if you want to try some new hair, pretty much like basically a test run before you start wearing lace wigs. But yeah, this is a really nice beginner friendly inexpensive wig, so I would highly recommend this wig if you are just beginning to start wearing wigs. The next question is, can this hair be bleached or dyed? This hair can actually be bleached, and this hair can actually be dyed. With this being 100% virgin hair, you do need to take it over to your stylist to let them actually dye this hair themselves, because virgin hair is actually really hard to dye. So yeah, you can dye and bleach this hair if you want to. You can also add color to it if you want to as well. I do think it will take because it is a lighter color, but if you do want to go lighter and just bleach it, you can do that as well, or you can just tone it, and that can actually bring down the brassiness in the hair color as well. And finally, the last question is, can this hair hold a curl? This hair can hold a curl, but the only thing is you will need hairspray to actually make it stay a little bit longer. The curls do tend to fall after a while, but for the most part it does hold a curl fairly well. I did curl my hair before filming this part of the video, and the curls have fell a lot, but other than that, I really don't mind loose curls on me anyway. So yeah, alrighty, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I pretty much curled this hair, and you can just watch me just playing this wig as well, just to see how this hair curls and if the curls fall while I'm actually curling other parts of my hair as well. So until then, I'll catch you on my next video. Bye. So here I'm just taking my Conair curling iron. I'm going to be curling my hair in the front and also certain parts of my hair just to make the curls fall in my face. Typically, in order for curls to be voluminous, you need to curl them away from your face and also the other direction as well. That way it can create volume. But in today's video, I just curled away from my face just to shape around my face.
Can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know